Democracy is different from what the law is. The law is not democracy. Democracy is not the law. These are two different things. Good governance is what you are talking about, but the law is the law, as the embattled Chief Justice said. Clearly, the Supreme Court is under the Constitution. The Supreme Court is not above the Constitution. The Supreme Court can only do what the Constitution says it can do. The Supreme Court cannot do what the Constitution doesn't say it can do. And so, if we are advancing the argument that even though the Constitution stipulates how these matters are to be dealt with and says that the hearing must be in camera, but the Supreme Court should go beyond the Constitution, then we end up not having a Constitution at all. And we can't just say that we should allow the Supreme Court to do what it likes.
But what real purpose does it serve to have this in camera when the person who is accused says, "I'm ready to waive that"?
I want to believe that the framers of the Constitution were of the view that such matters, because of the position of the Supreme Court, there are some information when it is leaked may have some negative impact on the country. Probably matters of national security, the same things that my colleague is talking about, public health matters. We don't know where it will touch. We don't know which of our life as a country that this may negatively impact. And so the framers of the Constitution, I'm just thinking for them, may be thinking that because you don't want to spill those things in the public domain, it should be held in camera. The issue that in the past, the Supreme Court, or is it the courts, did not allow cameras into the courtrooms, but now we have it, is different from this. In that situation, we didn't have provisions proscribing the use of cameras in our courts. It was just a practice, and so you could easily do away with the practice. But in this one, it is clearly stated, and you cannot. You could have as well said, okay, the two justices should also sit. We should go and bring justices from other country. Or we could say, but the Constitution has stipulated how the way and manner in which this must be done, and you have to respect it.